Welcome to GMath tutorial. Now today consider question 2. Attempt any three of the following. A is find dy by dx if e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Now solution given is e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Then differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to d by dx of e raised to x plus y. Then derivative of exponential function is as it is, that is derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, and then y is dy by dx. Similarly, derivative of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y, and then differentiate x plus y with respect to x, that is d by dx of x plus y. Then derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx, that is with respect to x, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and y is dy by dx. Then multiply the bracket, then e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y plus dy by dx into e raised to x plus y. Then shift the dy by dx term on one side and other terms on opposite side. Then we get e raised to y dy by dx minus dy by dx e raised to x plus y is equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Then take e raised to y dy by dx common from left side. We get in bracket 1 minus e raised to x and other side e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Then write dy by dx on other side. We get dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y. Then take a common e raised to x from right side. We get e raised to x into e raised to y minus 1 divided by e raised to y times 1 minus e raised to x. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching.